Hi everyone, and welcome to my Pluralsight course Writing Maintainable UI Test Automation with Appium. My name is Marcel de Vries and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Xspirit in the Netherlands. Writing test automation software is hard. It's hard because every time team members make changes to the UI of the application, you are confronted with tests that are broken, and now you need to come to the rescue to fix them as soon as possible, so the test will still provide value. In this course I will show you how you can improve the way you write test automation in such a way that tests break less frequent and it makes it simpler to fix tests the moment they get broken. We start this course at looking at what the factors are that make UI tests so fragile and easy to break. We will have a look at what high quality tests look like, and we will look at what helps to improve the maintainability of your tests. I will introduce you to a set of patterns and practices that can help you write high-quality, maintainable tests. The patterns that I use are the dry, single responsibility, page object, damp, and screenplay pattern. We start the course with a set of example test scenarios I commonly encounter in my consulting career, and I will show you how we can refactor them step by step by applying these patterns. Each module will cover a pattern and contains an extensive coding demo where I'll show you how to apply this on your own test scenarios. After watching this course, you should be able to refactor your own test scenario into a high quality, good maintainable test, and you will learn how to apply the dry, single responsibility, page object, damp, and screenplay pattern. I hope you join me on this learning journey with the course Writing Maintainable UI Test Automation with Appium.